This is the northern coast of Poros where the Poi will be created. The small fisheries that we have will be expanded by 28 times and by 8 times in terms of production.
It's a disaster for all of us.
We have been fighting against it. It makes us very angry, very, very angry.
If the fish farms come to Poros, it will affect my business and all the business here in Poros.
Fish farming in the beginning started with small fish farms. All of them have faced financial issues, and those struggles have left 1 or 2 conglomerates that literally today own hundreds of millions to Greek banks. We're creating almost a monopoly.
The sea is the lifeblood of Greece. It's everything.
You take away the coves by adding fish farms, is totally destroyed.
We have to do whatever it takes to protect our environment, our life, our future.
It's an old thing. It worked for a while, it doesn't work now.
Αν εμείς δεν σεβόμαστε το περιβάλλον στο οποίο ζούμε, τότε αυτοκαταστρεφόμαστε από μόνοι μας.
Εγώ δεν ψαρεύω ποτέ μου στις ηχθειοκαλλιέργειες, γιατί όταν δίνω ψάρια δεν θέλω να μου πούνε ότι γιατί δεν ήταν καλά ή γιατί μυρίζουνε.
Φυσικά εννοείται ότι προτιμούν να αγοράζουν φρέσκα ψάρια εδώ δικά μας ντόπια, γιατί ίσως ξέρουν το τι περιέχουν του ιχθυοτροφείου τα ψάρια, το τι ταΐζονται.
After I found out that they were planning to multiply fish farms and all of the industry that was coming, I thought this can't happen. It's a horrible thing.
Η Ποσειδονία που υπάρχει αυτή τη στιγμή σε όλο το Σαλονικό θα καταστραφεί
και θα είναι σε εισαγωγικά μια ταφόπλακα.
The people and the local government are against this expansion of the fish farms.
Πρέπει σιγά σιγά να φύγουν τελείως. Πρέπει να φύγουν αυτά τα πράγματα που είναι.
Everything happens for the money for the banks.